Good morning. My name is Renee D. Waring, and I am the founder of Uniquely and Wonderfully Made Ministries. I am also the author of a book entitled The Warrior Warring, Warring, which can be found on Amazon.com. Please listen closely and hear the truth about gun violence and how it correlates to people who have mental illness. Dr. Jeffrey Swanson, a professor in psychiatry and behavioral sciences at Duke University School of Medicine, is one of the leading researchers on mental health and violence. He has been researching the correlation between the two since 1980. He said, quote, "We need to think of violence itself as a communicable disease." He looked at violence and risk among people who have serious mental illnesses. He found 3 risk factors that were all most important to predict that a person could become violent. The 3 risk factors are: first, a history of violent victimization early in life; second, substance abuse; and third is exposure to violence in the environment around you. People who have none of these risk factors, even people with bipolar disorder and schizophrenia, have very low rates of violent behavior, according to ProPublica. If someone has a history of any kind of violent or assaultive behavior, it's actually a better predictor of future violence than having a mental health diagnosis. Appleby stated, quote, "People with psychiatric disorders are far more likely to be victims and not perpetrators of violent crimes." Hiday stated, quote, "People with severe mental illness, schizophrenia, bipolar, or psychosis are 2.5 times more likely to be attacked, raped, or mugged than the general public," unquote. Next week, check in to see what other researchers have to say on this topic. If I have time, I will also discuss the media's role in this topic. Please invite people to see my entire series. You can view them on my Facebook page of Waring Communications LLC. You can also view them on LinkedIn and YouTube. If on YouTube, my series title for today's video is The Truth About Mass Shootings Part 1. That's number 1. I invite you to come back next Thursday, September the 6th, to view the second video in this series. Please tell somebody about this series. Thank you. My book entitled The Warrior Warring, Warring, is on Amazon.com. I am the founder of Uniquely and Wonderfully Made Ministries. My name is Renee D. Waring, and I am the Warrior Warring. Thank you.